don't even know if I can remember how this all goes, but let's give it a lash. It was on the Belfast mountains I heard a maid complain, and she vexed the sweet June evening with her heart-broken strain, saying, woe is me, life's anguish is more than I can. Why didn't I write the last word? Can endure, since Henry Joy McCracken died on the gallows tree. Lost everybody in the audience there, but we go on. At Donegal he proudly rode, he wore a suit of green, and brave though vain at Antrim, his sword flashed lightning keen, and when the spies surrounded his band to Slemish fled, he came unto the cave hill to rest his weary head. Apologies if my pitching is all over the place. First time singing this, lads, ever. I watched for him each night long, as in our cot he slept. At daybreak through the heather to Macart's fort I crept, when word came from Greencastle of a good ship anchored nigh. 'Twas down by yon wee fountain we met to say goodbye. He said, my love, be cheerful, for tears and fears are vain. Guess he's not talking about the pop group. He said, my love, be hopeful, our land will rise again. He kissed me ever fondly, he kissed me 3 times o'er, saying death will never part us, my love forevermore. That night I climbed the cave hill and watched till morning blazed, and when the fires had kindled, across the loch I gazed. I saw an English tender at anchor off Garmile, but alas, no good ship bore him away unto France's Isle. And twice that night a tramping came from the old shore road. 'Twas Ellis and his yeomen, false nigh block with them strode. My father home returning, the doleful story told. Alas, he said, young Harry Joy, for 50 pounds is sold. And is it true? I asked her. Yes, it is true, she said. For to this heart that loved him, I pressed his gory head, and every night, pale bleeding, his ghost comes to my side. And Harry, my dead Harry, comes for his promised bride. Now on the Belfast mountains this fair maid's voice is still, for in a grave they laid her on high Carmony Hill, and the sad waves beneath her chant a requiem for the dead, and the rebel winds shriek freedom above her weary head. Whew. First time I have ever sung Henry Joy. By God, it's a